How to find effective influencers for your brand. Now you know what makes a good influencer. Here's how you find one that fits your brand. Well, this is not the exact recipe, but these are the factors you will be looking into. 1. Relevance. Before you start looking at their stats like reach and visitors, you need to make sure their content matches the interests of your audience and your brand perception. Because the influencer will be crafting the message, and you need your principles and messaging to be aligned. That is the key to reaching the demographic you want to capture. You should check their older posts and all social media accounts to get a sense of what they are like and the kind of crowd they attract. Also, check their engagement and see the kind of response they are getting and try to determine if that's what you want for your brand. 2. Engagement. That is not to say that the tangible metrics are not important. When you are in the process of picking an influencer, you must look at the response they elicit from their followers. Look at the percentage of the audience that tends to return to the influencer, and compare these numbers to the new followers they gather week after week. 3. Reach. This is a number that a lot of brands look at right away. It's an important one, but is not number one on the list for a reason. You must consider unique visitors coming to the influencer on your list, but you must not consider that to be the most effective way of measuring reach. The number of new followers and traffic can only tell you about the relationship to a certain extent. 4. Frequency. There is a direct relationship between the blogger's posts and the number of visitors who return to the blog. This is applicable to many niches, and the rate of return depends on the quality of posts. That's how you measure how good their content is. It is a fact that any influencer needs to prove to be good multiple times for the audience to return and click on their hyperlinks. 5. Authenticity. This sounds like another tangible factor, but it is not. Some bloggers who post sponsored content are actually perceived to be more trustworthy. The key to making that happen is in the narrative. Those who create content with stories that deserve a mention of the product or service are better liked than those who do a straightforward review. Readers don't look at reviews unless they are already looking to buy that specific product.